Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to export your data from Gmail on your PC using the newest update. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. This takes you to your Google account settings. Next, look for the section labeled Privacy and Personalization. Click on Manage Your Data and Privacy to access your privacy settings. Once you're in, scroll down until you see the option labeled Download or Delete Your Data. Here, you'll want to click on Download Your Data. This action will direct you to the Google Takeout page. At the top of this page, you'll see a button that says Deselect All. Click it to uncheck everything, and then scroll through the list to find Gmail. Check the box next to Gmail to select it. After you've chosen Gmail, take a moment to inspect any categories you might want to exclude from your download. It's important to make sure you're only downloading what you really need. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click on the Next Step button. Now, you need to decide how you'd like to receive your data. Click the small arrow under Delivery Method to see your options. You can choose whether you want a download link via email or to store it in a cloud service. Additionally, you can set your preferences for frequency, file size, and the type of file you want. Finally, after reviewing all your selections, click on Create Export. That's it. Google will now prepare your data for download. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.